friends, in this video we are going to study two topics. One, formation of Khilafat Committee, and second, why non-cooperation. Seeing the violence spread, Gandhiji called up Rolotech movement. Even though Rolotech movement was a widespread movement, but it was limited to cities and towns. So Gandhiji felt to launch broad-based national movement. But Gandhiji was certain this could not be possible unless and until Hindus and Muslims were brought close together. And for that purpose, Gandhiji decided to take up Khilafat issue. When the First World War had ended, it ended with the defeat of Ottoman Empire. Ottoman Emperor was the spiritual head of all Islamic world. So rumors spread that British government going to impose humiliating treaty on Ottoman Emperor. So in our country, young Muslim leaders like Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali decided to support temporal power of Khalifa. And for that purpose, in Bombay, March 1919, these Ali brothers formed Khilafat Committee. Main intention of formation of Khilafat Committee was to defend the temporal powers of Khalifa. Gandhiji saw this an opportunity to bring Muslims under umbrella movement, and for that purpose, in a Congress session of Calcutta, Gandhiji brought this issue to support Muslims Khilafat issue, and also along with that to get their support for Congress non-cooperation movement. Why non-cooperation? In Gandhiji's famous book Hind Swaraj, which was published in 1909, Gandhiji said, in our country, British government became successful to rule for a long time because of the cooperation of Indian people. So he said, if Indian people refuse to cooperate, British government, this government would come to an end in a year. And for that purpose, Gandhiji said to people to participate in a non-cooperation movement. This movement was unfold in various stages. Number one, surrendering of titles conferred upon people by the British government. Second point is boycott of civil services like army, police, courts, legislative council, school, colleges, etc. And suppose government adopted in case repressive measures. In such case, Gandhiji said Satyagrahi should observe full civil disobedience movement. But within Indian National Congress, there were two groups. One group was in favor of legislative council election, and therefore they were worried if Congress launched non-cooperation Khilafat movement, it would spread violence and that would create problem for council election. But Gandhiji in a Nagpur session of Congress became successful in convincing the leaders, and this is how Congress launched non-cooperation and Khilafat movement in 1921. Thank you.